Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Didn't realize it was 9:10. Hello, guys. Good morning. Not going to lie, I really was thinking like maybe it's 8:45 only. I don't know why. How are you guys? How's your morning? Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, everyone. Today I'm going to release new video finally. This video is going to be about top-down analysis market maker model. So right after stream at 11:30, I will send you a link to new video where I finally cover all questions about how to spot high from level to trade potential sweep, blah, blah, blah. Hello, everyone. Hello. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. So here's setups that I saw for potential 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, not fair value gap, and I will show you in top-down analysis how you can do this as well. So basically, you need to watch my last video about potential sweep and my new video how to do top-down analysis. Pretty much that's it. Unfortunately, pre-market actually way better recently, way better than IM session, but it is what it is, so... Good morning, everyone. Hello, Chris. How are you? Hello, everyone. Good morning, guys. I was busy yesterday. I got one trade, which was M2 model before the market opened. Actually, my target was hit right at 9:30 a.m. So one setup, and I was done for the day. Also, we got M2 model for 10 a.m. So actually, it was brilliant price action, especially... Okay, not brilliant. No. It was good price action before market open. So my bias for NQ, I was watching for London low, both ES and NQ. ES failed to take London low. I would like to see we taking out London low, honestly, today on both assets. Let's see if we drop today, at least retrace. Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. Who just joined? Hello. I'm a bit late. I'm so sorry about this. I didn't realize it was 9 a.m. So gold a bit choppy. You know, I spent like 2 hours, more than 2 hours to edit my new video. So probably I will hire someone. Yeah. So gold, it wasn't this night. It was around like 6 a.m. Finally reached 2 hour fair value gaps. I was watching, I guess, on Tuesday. So anyway, I absolutely in love with this drop on gold. We got some low resistance liquidity to downside. I highlighted untapped fair value gap on 1 hour chart. So here's this. So I don't need to draw this again. So my idea, if we retrace back to hourly fair value gap, at this point, once again, we have low resistance to upside and buy side liquidity over here, right at the top, right at the bottom of this hourly fair value gap. So it may look like, maybe not like this. Give me 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. My ideal scenario is something like this. So I'm still quite bearish on gold. I would like to see previous week low level. Okay, if not previous week low level, at least sell side liquidity before this. What does vertical line means? I know. But first, I would like to see retracing. But first, I would like to see retracing to hourly fair value gap, untapped fair value gap, which seems like measuring gap, right at the middle of potential range, dealing range. Then we're trying to drop. Guys, what is your bias on gold? Yeah, can you please send me a message on Instagram and send me please your work? I will see this. Yeah, I will watch this. So I'm fine with long on gold, by the way. I would like to see. Okay, like, remember we talk about low resistance liquidity run? Oh, give me 1 second. Something like this. Sharp move down. move up, a retracement, reversal. So we have pretty much similar picture so far. I cannot say like we got sharp move down, which may actually happen right at the open, but I would like to see the retracement anyway, especially knowing we have low resistance to upside. Yeah, thank you so much. I will check this. For CL, I would like to see higher to this hourly OB. So my plan, something like this. Maybe minor retracement down to this fair value gap on 1 hour chart, then move to hourly OB. I would like to see 66.93 today on CL. That's the plan. We need to pump like 60 more cents, not points. Cents. We don't have M2 model just yet. Let's see if we get this. Not sure. Guys, Epic's running 90% off. So I'm going to buy evaluations because why not? To just gamble them. It's always nice to have reserve, guys. I'm going to pass this for reserve. I already have 20 funded accounts with Epics, but I'm going to get more. Because why not? Also, where is my mouse? Where is my pointer? Cannot see this. We got nice long yesterday for M2 model on 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So I hope someone was able to trade this. Yesterday, like, it wasn't hard, fortunately. Yes, that's it. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do quick analysis to see at least what we have there, because as you can see, I don't have any levels highlighted on my chart. So that's monthly chart. Building low resistance to upside. Let's do this for the future at least. Maybe we will trade this someday, right? So we took previous month's level, which means nothing, especially for intraday traders. So we got move from external back to internal. So right now I'm watching back to external again. So I'm watching previous week low level. It's just like quick analysis. As you can see, we just traded into this weekly fair value gap. External range liquidity is going to be lower. Oh, what I'm highlighting here was, yeah. Weekly fair value gap. Also, we got potential sweep over here. What this means? Guys, the question is, if you have potential weekly sweep, what chart I would like to use to highlight OB to confirm this potential sweep? Who can tell me? If it's weekly, what chart should I use? Exactly, that's right. That's right. Oh, why? Okay, you got it. This means right now I'm not going to switch on daily chart. I'm going to switch on forward chart. And my task, okay, question is, since we got potential weekly sweep, do we have 4-hour OB right now to confirm the sweep? Who knows? Who can tell me? Do we have right now 4-hour OB? Yes, no? Simple question. Yes, no? Yes, we have it. Perfect. Here's our OB. So let's check at this. Let's take a look at this. See this wicks, it's not order block. See this closure, it's order block. So what can happen? So this order block right now is our resistance. We don't want to see price breaking above this level to validate our short to previous week low level, which is also equal lows. So the question is, if we trace slightly higher to test this order block on 4-hour chart and drop to previous week low level. What do you think about this? Oh, thank you. I will check after Steam if you don't mind. Here's my analysis. This is what I think about the market. Yeah, for the next week. It's Friday, so I don't expect a lot. In my perfect world, something like this. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes. So I hope I answered your question. Once again, not quite sure. So it's futures. So if you trade Forex, it's just, once again, for Forex player, I would say it's exactly the same analysis. Just for futures, it's going to be something like this. Japanese yen, so futures. You can trade this on Forex. Just pricing is going to be different, right? So that's just for now. Obviously, let's see what will happen in real time. So, I mean, we need to trace first. But just looking at current picture, seems like it's trying to build second stage of redistribution. $67 to pass your 50 hardest $67 in your life. Trust me. Trade with micros. Trust me, it's going to be a better idea. Happy Friday. Hello, Frank. So let's see how it goes. I mean, obviously not today. It's for our chart. Who actually knows when it's going to happen? Yeah, let's do this. Some Forex player analysis, I don't mind. Just tell me which broker I should use because I'm not quite sure. Which one? Yeah, guys, if you're asking me about Forex pair, I'm not quite sure which broker I need to use. Just help me with this. Okay. Let's do this. Exactly same idea. Let's start with monthly chart. Oh, we're sitting inside the range, by the way. Overall, okay. Anyway, let's check this out. Anyway. Okay, we took both sides. This means probably the end of this month is going to be chop. So once again, as you can see, we got potential sweep of this previous month's high level. Then we dropped to previous month's low. So this means the rest of the month probably is going to be choppy. Anyway, we may get something. Look at this. So we got external range liquidity, just a couple of ticks, I guess, sweep. Then price traced to weekly fair value gap. So I'm watching previous week low level as well. Yeah, I'm watching previous week low level, I would say. Yeah, seems like good target, in my humble opinion. Also, we have exactly same potential sweep. And as you already know, we need to switch on forward chart to get OB. Do we have OB? Yes, we do have OB. Okay, which was higher? This one. This means order block is over here. So how I spot this order block? That's probably going to be your question, since we got sequence of up close candles and we got another up close candle. As you can see, high of this candle higher than this high. I'm going to use last up close candle. So basically we got OB, we got fair value gap over here, right? So my plan is to see if we may trace back to this 4-hour fair value gap. And guys, using time frame alignment chart, if we have 4-hour fair value gap, which time frame should I use to look for market maker model? Who knows? Who can tell me? If we have 4-hour fair value gap, which time frame should I use to confirm potential reversal? 15-minute chart, exactly right. This means if on 15-minute chart, we may get 15-minute smart money reversal. Guys, who can tell me what signs of smart money reversal we can use? What can I use to confirm smart money reversal? Who can help me with this? First, what should I use? We have two options, but give me at least one. SMT, yeah, perfect. Exactly. So we have change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, or inversion fair value gap. So your idea is going to be if on 15-minute chart we may get these signs, I'm going to short to previous week low level. I will short using these signs. Once again, it's very important. I'm going to use my stop loss as swing high. Probably it's going to be somewhere right here. I don't know yet. Cannot see the future. But it's going to be executions on 15-minute chart, not on 4 chart. Something like this, if we get confirmation. Make sense? Liquidity sweep, yeah, we may use this, but not always going to get this, right? So if we retrace to fair value gap, and we may get any signs of smart money reversal on 15-minute chart, we may try to short this. What about gold? Yeah, I was just asking these questions. So exactly same. I would say we may use, it's going to be huge risk, but we may use exactly same idea on Japanese yen. So basically we may get 15-minute smart money reversal to short this with less risk because it's 4 chart. Time frame, it's going to be in today's video. I will show you how to do top-down analysis, how to use time frame alignment chart, how to use market maker model, and so on. CL preferable to go to hourly OB, but what may happen first, as I said before, we may retrace here, then here, something like this. So I hope it helps. Gold analysis already, we discussed this. So I'm watching if gold may retrace to hourly untapped fair value gap, which is at 33.51, 7 points away. And let's see if we sell from this level. So I keep in my eyes right now on MNQ looking for M2 model, but honestly, we have absolutely nothing on NQ because it's chap. I love it. I love this chap. Three-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 3-minute chart. Oh, we don't have any setups for long just yet, or I'm blind, but I don't see any setups on gold just yet to long this. Well, nothing yet. I was thinking like about potential setup using potential 30-minute or hourly sweep, but unfortunately, I just cannot see good OB to enter the trade. So, okay, on gold, nothing too long yet. Unfortunately, I wish we could have something, but nothing. Ugly. So here's another idea. It's not M2 model. It's potential 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB. So this is what I saw in real time. Just if you want to tell me I'm hindsight trader, so it was in real time screenshot. From here, actually, from this candle. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm quite bearish on NQ and ES. I would like to see ES taking out London low at least. So let's see if we get this. I don't know, but let's see if we get this. So guys, I hope you were able to get perfect long yesterday because it was really perfect long. So a bit choppy above 9 AM open, but once again, I'm quite bearish. I would like to see ES drop into London low. I'm not sure if we have... Yeah, we don't really have TGIF yet. So it's struggling, trying to build low resistance to downside, right? Guys, if you just joined today at 11:30, I'm going to post new video about top-down analysis in market maker model. Money is about to be made. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Yes, kind of struggling. Once again, trying to build low resistance. So basically building this trend line. Liquidity, right? A bit annoying on gold because it's trying to push, but unfortunately, I cannot see like solid setup to enter the trade, which is really annoying. Be nice, gold. Be nice, please. MNQ, NNQ, SMT. I never use this. As SMT. I don't really care. But yes, you're right. MNQ failed to take this low over here. But full port, long and short. Let's go. Yeah, one is going to win. So exactly. So a bit choppy, but it's maybe typical for Friday. So maybe it's okay. We have some SMT at highs between NQ and ES. Once again, nothing on gold, unfortunately, yet. Oh, okay. But stop loss, it's overall ugly. A bit chop. You got stopped out on long on gold, right? Because you had to put your stop loss at swing close that was formed at 842, but instead you decided to put your stop loss at 850. Am I right? I'm quite bearish for the day, and if my display is below London low, I would like to see quick drop here to previous day low level. But probably I will look for short below London low. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, yeah, that's right. T36 has to be stop loss. Exactly right. Over here. That's only one right placement for stop loss because it's protected low. It's not protected low. It's not protected low, but it's protected low over here. So pump into this early fair value gap. Only what is annoying, I was looking for potential sweep, and honestly, especially considering 5-minute chart, because it's better to see there. Order block it wasn't even formed yet. Oh, well. Candlestick colors. Okay, we still have time. I'm going to send you. That's for green. That's for down close candle. And then black. Simply black. So first code is for up close candle, second one for down close candle. And background, I believe, white. Yeah, white. Yes, we do have SMC at lows and highs. Good morning, good morning. Guys, you bullish or bearish on NQ today? NES? Since we took external range liquidity on NQ, I'm quite bearish. But market is permanently bullish. So maybe we are not going to be bearish. Forget about any shorts. Okay, for scalp is okay, just I was bearish on Tuesday, on Wednesday, but not yesterday, by the way. And today I'm quite bearish as well. So London highs equal highs as well on NQ. So we will see. We will give it time to develop setup. Because, okay, just like ignoring my bias. Give me 1 second. Probably it's not possible to get this. No, I don't like it. Just sit on my hand just for now with this long. No, I don't really like this. Maybe I do like this one. No, I don't like this one in yes as well. So we got BPR on hourly on CL. So right now my idea is to see if we get potential sweep to trade this. Probably not. Oh, it's not BPR yet. Okay, maybe slightly lower. So my bad, I didn't see this. Hourly BPR. I would like to see it trade into BPR. My bad, my bad. So slightly lower on CL. So choppy around 9 AM open. Absolutely nothing worth to try. I mean, on NQ. On yes, if we drop to London low first, I will be fine with this. Yeah, you're right. You don't think TJF applies to weekly consolidation? That's exactly right. It doesn't apply for this. Trump is live right now. Okay, expect some volatility. Yeah, long on gold, nice. Just I didn't see models that trade on gold. Oh, look at this. We got the closure below London lows. It's already bearish sign. Yes, struggling, right? Huge displacement. What? What's wrong with this displacement? I would say it's not huge range today. Okay, since we already got closure below London low, I would like to see only the move lower. Nothing else. Trying to check high time frame right now. Hourly. It's so choppy, quite choppy right now. Anyway. Yes, struggling. Trying to respect low resistance. I mean, trying to respect trend lines. Still, we have lots of failure things. Okay. We will wait. You're still looking for. I don't look for any setups just yet because it's just consolidation. I'm not going to engage in consolidation. Simply, I know myself. My worst trades inside consolidation, so I'm fine to wait more. On NQI, yeah, I got it because ES does not provide any fair value gaps at all. Okay, we traded into this fair value gap. Okay. Yes, still quite bullish. Forgot to highlight daily open. Give me 1 second. Oh, it's already below daily open. So I don't know. This good sign of bearishness. I will stay away from long 100% because we're trading below daily open right now. So one more confirmation with below daily open. And look at this week. So basically, it seems like we're inside distribution right now. Can be wrong, but seems like. We'll look for a long above daily open. Yeah, above this level only. Because considering candlestick formation, we got open, high, daily candle. We got early OB trying to drop. What level we took? I wouldn't say like we took important level yet. So yeah, let's see if we try to drop, at least attempt to offer a drop to previous day low level. We have SMT at London low. Yeah, actually ES is more bullish right now than NQ, so I don't want to argue about this. I'm just trying to see this daily candlestick formation overall. Look at this. It's daily candle. It's quite bearish. So in order to confirm this framework for distribution, we know from my, I guess, 3 videos ago, we know in order to confirm framework for distribution, we should get early OB. And yes, we do have early OB, and I wouldn't say we took any important level just yet. Maybe that's why I feel more bearish on NQ. I don't really feel bearish on ES just for now, but I feel more bearish right now on NQ, maybe for a reason. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, so I just feel like I'm more bearish. On NQ, not on ES. On ES, I just have no idea if I'm bearish or bullish. Yeah, Trump speaking right now. That's why I'm like, okay, it's a bit choppy. What I can do with this, just try to stay away. We don't have M2 model. We have some SMT at lows because ES looks more bullish than NQ. So yeah, not going to even look for trades for now. NQ just hit daily OB, open of daily order block. Okay. Well, still means nothing to me, so. We invert a 2-minute fair value gap, while on ES we have 0 fair value gap so far. That's crazy. You entered long on NQ? Totally possible. I'm just going to stay away. It doesn't mean like I want to just short. It just kind of doesn't really make sense since we hit external range liquidity. I mean, we got 2-minute inversion. Okay, we got SMT, we got London low, but we got absolutely nothing on ES. But ES looks more bullish anyway. It's choppy on 5-minute chart. So we have hourly OB. We got huge week, which is, by the way, bullish week right now on hourly and 30-minute chart. Okay, I'm not going to argue about long right now because, yeah, hourly week looks quite bullish. Not going to argue about this then. You got 2-minute immediate rebalance. Retest of 9 a.m. open again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 retest of 9 a.m. open. Trade setup for what? You want to long this? I mean, if you see high probability long right now, of course, enter. Just like 50-50. I just don't know what level I would like to aim for. Probably London high because it's equal highs and New York midnight open, but I'm not ready to aim for all them high or something like this. We already got external range liquidity. I cannot say like we really trade back to internal range yet. Yeah, once again, totally possible to see pump, but it's in queue. It's permanently bullish, so forget about shorts. Absolutely possible to get this picture. Not going to even argue about this because that's possible. CL traded into this hourly BPR. I'm just not going to engage in longs. That's it. What we have on 1 minute trend? Time to check this. Okay, we got a couple of inversions. We got 1 minute OB. Actually, propulsion block, trying to dispel this propulsion block. As you can see, we got retest and it's trying to dispel this propulsion block so far. Okay, 1 minute chart, this leg up looks nicely bullish. Yes, I agree about this. Yes, in Q, not in sync right now. I don't have really bias for now. So probably no trades. On gold, we need to pump to hourly fair value gap. I already mentioned that before. I'm looking for the pump to hourly fair value gap, which is at 33.51. 33.51.52. So empty model never was for short. That's first point. So we traded below 9 a.m. open finally. We got this 2-minute OB, but 2-minute OB was part of premium discount. So according to our rules, it's not high probability, but it's still empty model for long right now. 2R will be near New York midnight open. Yes, crazy. Why I'm saying we have M2 model for long, because we got the closure above the done close candle, which validates a 2-minute OB, which validates this potential long. Oh, 50 points. Okay. Oh, okay. It's going to be 1 hour. It's not going to be 1.5 hour, considering potential 2-hour trade. ES did absolutely nothing since market open. It just perfect chop so far. Congratulations. So, okay, we're about to break daily open. Look at this daily candle. So, it's crazy. In my opinion, we got perfect framework for distribution over here to drop. I mean, obviously, London low wasn't like end of this daily candle, which seems once again crazy. But maybe it's summer price action. Come on, Dasha, what are you asking for right now? To get good price action? I mean, for scalp, you have good price action. For big moves, not really. When you go on the website for a futures prop firm, you need to see restricted list if your country not in restricted list. So you find to trade futures. Where is going to be 2R for this model? Let's see. Deal quick. Just interesting to see. 50-point stop loss. I absolutely in love with this. Just for information, if it's going to be empty model, but according to rules, and it's empty model, since we took London low, it will be enough for me to consider this as empty model. So I need to aim for 2R, 2R right above Asia high, even higher, like 30 points higher than Asia high. I'm not even sure if we are going to get this. So we trace back to daily open. So London high is equal highs. Previous day high lines up with New York midnight open. So makes sense to pump at least there right now since we're above daily open. Yes, struggling. Yes, by the way, still sitting inside London range. When I was passing my evaluations with Apex, I traded 3 minutes. So I passed this with one trade for less than 2 minutes. So I probably was lucky. But I cannot say like I full port this because I traded with 3 minutes and I passed it for less than 2 minutes. I just was at the right time and it went in my favor immediately. So I never was in drawdown. It just was immediately around like 60 points drop, if not mistaken. Something like this. It was good. Who trades ES these days? I would say ES recently looks good. Target for gold is 33.51 in my opinion. Yeah, New York midnight open looks good. Okay, guys, any normal days, probably it's already pumped, especially if we broke above daily open, so it's good invalidation of my bearish bias. We got empty model for long as well. So I'm going to sit with this long trade idea because I don't see right now any other setups just yet. London high is equal highs, as you can see, right? So let's see if it might take this, right? Trump's speaking, I believe, because I see right now volatility on tape. Probably Trump's saying something. Are you? No, I'm not. Not yet. But from what I can see, clearly it's empty model for long. Nothing works 100% of the time, but it's empty model for long with huge stop loss. How to find indicators? I'm going to send you the link so I have all indicators available. Just give me 1 second. I will try to find this for you. Copy link. Oh, you're welcome. All links. It's free indicators, guys. I don't use paid indicators. Okay, guys. We're talking about like lots of good price action right now, but the question is, why you expect to get from summer price action? I mean, that's fine. That's good price action for summer, for scalps. Maybe not for big moves, as we got, for example, winter or spring. It was like, okay. So 90% off for the first month and 80% off for another month. So it's summer price action. Do you remember what happened last summer, 2 years ago? It was also garbage price action, but it was okay for scalps. Like maybe 2R, 1.5R is a good idea. If you don't want to aim for 2R, but you want to get like 100 points, it's a bad idea. Just accept this. Try to adjust yourself to these market conditions. Market is not going to adjust for your setup, for your model, right? So adjust yourself. Yeah, gold was nice. So at least I like how gold moved. It's okay. So just once again, if you're trying to pass this for one day, it's absolutely stupid idea. Try to take this like $500 a day and try to pass it slow. Take your time, because with this price action, once again, probably without full porting, you will not pass this. Do you trade platinum? I mean, not really, but if you want, I can analyze this. I trade CL gold 90% of the time, and 10% of the time I trade NQ. Okay, let's see if we get another potential trade idea. If it's going to close above this blue line, can we pump? Not sure yet, but let's see. If it's going to close above this blue line, another trade idea. Yeah, it takes time, unfortunately. Yes, just chop. It's inside this consolidation since market open. No fair value gaps, no order blocks, just ugly consolidation. Not worth to even trade this. So probably I will validate another potential trade idea with break above blue line. Not valid yet. We'll adjust this for you guys. So far just sweep, nothing more. Nothing more so far. Oh. Let's see if we get the closure above blue line to validate another scalp. Did not close yet. Okay, I will just move this for now. That's bad, because if it wants to pump, probably it will pump with displacement at this 2-minute candle. If it wants to pump, really. How many points is pump? Like 30 points. You know why I don't want to see external range liquidity again? I mean all-time high, because we got all-time high this night. Asia. And that really doesn't make sense to pump to all-time high again. That's why when I started Steam, I said I'm quite bearish on NQ. I would like to see yes taking out London low at least. But it's just choppy, so hate it. It's annoying, but it is what it is. $10 a.m. 2-minute model on NQ. Yeah, as you can see, it's highlighted on my screen right now. So this long is M2 model. Once again, nothing works 100% of the time. So it actually can fail, but what highlighted is the right placement of stop loss and target profit with entry for M2 model. TJF. So preferably to get TJF, we need to get to downside. We don't have it yet. If you want to short this, nothing validates this yet. For TGIF, we want to get new high or low of the week on Friday. We didn't really get this, so probably no TGIF, at least for now. Maybe it wants to take all-time high again. Once again, it wants to offer new high of the week and then TGIF. But so as I said before, it's summer price action. Doesn't make sense to look for huge targets. I mean, for all-time high. I mean, of course you can, but it doesn't make any sense, especially with this chop. You need to sit and trade for 5 hours, for 5 hours to get like at least 70, 60 points, as it was yesterday, I believe. So this long not valid, just for your information yet. So aim for 2R, preferably to 1.5R, and be happy with this. It's, I guess, better idea with this price action. Yeah, if not mistaken, if VIX below 16, it's normally not great, not good for NQNs because we see chop. We trade inside high from consolidation from what I saw. Do we have any news? Oh, it's 10:07, so okay. Guys, if you just joined today at 11:30, I'm going to post new video. This video is going to be about top-down analysis, how I do top-down analysis to trade a potential sweep. It's going to be helpful for gold, CL, and NQ because I use this for these assets, but you can try to backtest this with different instruments. So top-down analysis and market maker model. So I will show you how to use time frame alignment chart, how to put standard deviation. I mean, how to pick good target. It's going to be liquidity, standard deviation, and 2R. 2R is also a lot. For gold, it's okay. For NQ, maybe you're right. So maybe for NQ is 1R or 1.5R is good recently. So today at 11:30 a.m. So sit with me until the end. By the way, guys, if you're going to watch until the end of a new video, you will get new homework challenge. Today is Friday, so you will get new homework tonight. Yeah, potential sip. Potential sip. So you will get new homework tonight, guys. You will have 2 days to complete this homework and send me back, so I can check this. What I can do for you guys, I can actually create a Google Drive folder so you can upload your homework there, or you can, what works better for you guys? Google Drive folder, or just post this on Twitter and tag me there, or send me on Twitter and DM. So just tell me what worked better for you. So you'll get homework. It's going to be not hard homework. It's not going to be difficult, like 30 minutes of your time. So guys, in order to get homework, you need to go to the description of this live stream. You will find my weekly newsletter or something like this. I don't remember how I call this. Subscribe, it's completely free. So in this homework, you will get lesson and then homework. So it's easier. If you don't want, I highly recommend to watch the video first. And after watching the video, subscribe to newsletter to get homework. I hope it helps. Guys, I highly recommend to do this homework because you will tell me thank you in 1 month. Once again, it's completely free. I don't ask for any money. Video will be available at 11:30 a.m. today. Yes, it's job. We have some SMT at highs, but I'm not ready to trust this SMT only. Look at these SMTs we have on both sides. Why? Because ES is inside chop. How to get homework? All I ask is subscribe to my newsletter. To get a link for a newsletter, just go to the description of this live stream, scroll down, you will find, I believe it calls like my weekly newsletter or something like this. And my question is, you want to upload this homework on Twitter? Just send me direct message or post this on Twitter as a post, or should I create a Google Drive folder so you can upload there all your files? It's actually going to be screenshots or PDF. It's up to you how you want to complete this. Just tell me what works better for you. Google Drive. So you'll have 2 days to complete this. So basically Saturday and Sunday. It will take, okay, maybe like maximum 30 minutes of your life. So I do use TradeZella for journaling right now, for everything, for backtesting, for journaling. So if you can afford to buy TradeZella, I highly recommend the software. I personally spent my own money to buy a 12-month subscription, so no one gave me this for free. So I bought this, highly recommend to buy to everyone. Perfect platform. London High, not taken yet. Is it taken? No, it's not. Not yet. If you want to use my coupon, it's going to give you 20% off. If you want to use mine, you can use Lumi as always, or you just can buy this without any deal. So I believe they don't have the deal itself right now to get this for 20% off or something like this, but you can use my code if you want. So I will appreciate this. So equal highs taken, if you're sitting in this empty model, it's going to be your partial level. Let's see if we get another push of this from this London high, I'm sorry guys, to Asia high. Yeah, we just took this London high, that's it. So far, just sweep. It's nearly 1 hour so far. First logical top. You mean like London high equal highs as logical top, right? So let's see how good reaction is going to be from this equal highs, because look at ES. See this? What is going on? That's crazy. I mean, I can expect a lot. I remember the year when I switched trading in Q, it was 2 years ago. It was summer 2023. And why I switched? Because I started seeing this kind of price action on in ES. I was like, what? What is going on? I cannot even call like we have some sort of SMT here because it's simply consolidation. Of course, we are going to have SMT because it's consolidating. So I would not trust this SMT. Oh, first logical TP. Yeah. I would say it's the same. TP it up, so it doesn't really matter. So once again, I wouldn't count this as SMT. Like you see lots of SMTs. I mean, yes, that's nice. We have SMTs, but I wouldn't count this like as logical SMT. Going to drop? Possibly. Let's see how we can respect London high equal highs. Because as you can see, ES still trading inside London range, while NQ took both sides of London range, London low and London high. What? What is going on? What I believed this morning when I was kind of confident with drop to previous day low level, once we broke London low, we got the closure. I was so confident, okay, we will drop to previous day low level. But this never happened. And I was like, really? Yeah, it's also equal highs. Yes, need to do something. Maybe break above the range, high, then drop. It needs to do something, right? But instead, it's just choppy. Perfect chop. Once again, guys, today at 11:30, I'm going to post new video about top-down analysis and market maker model. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to subscribe to newsletter to get homework. Yes, Trump speaking. I'm not sure if he's still speaking, but he was speaking before 10. Yeah, if it's going to break above consolidation high with immediate rejection, so it's going to be good bearish sign. Let me delete some levels. So my chart looks absolutely ugly right now. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete SMT because I'm not ready to try this SMT at all. London high was partial because it was also equal highs. Like this. Come on. Nice rejection. Let's see if we get empty model for 10 a.m. Where is our 10 a.m. open? Oh, actually we can get this, yes. $10 a.m. open. So you guys, I'm just trying to look at my keyboard. It barely was 1 hour, but once again, for some price action, I would say that's fine. We don't have a 2-minute order block yet to validate if it wants to drop. I mean, I'm fine with drop if it wants to close below sequence of up-close candles. Where's my Apex account? ATM strategy. ATM strategy. That's okay. Going to highlight order potential order block on my Ninja Trader right now. We don't have yet. So it's not valid structure just yet to short M2 model. Just trying to highlight on MNQ to see this because sometimes we can get a closure on MNQ, but we never got the closure on NQ. Good to have both closures. So not going to count this as OB because this high is lower than this high. So I'm going to use sequence of up-close candles as order block. We don't have change in the state of delivery from this equal highs. I'm not going to validate as smart money reversal. Once again, guys, who can remind me what signs of smart money reversal we can consider reversal? What signs of smart money reversal? Who can remind me? I don't care about time frame, just tell me. To validate smart money reversal, I should consider lower time frame. But who can tell me? Change in the state of delivery and change in the state of delivery and market structure shift or inversion for a value gap. Exactly right. So do we have this? Not yet. We don't have this just for now. It's okay. So I cannot validate this as smart money reversal just yet. So I'm fine not to be first seller because we have 0 signs of smart money reversal. Hope it helps. Yes, really trying to break consolidation high, which I like. Liquidity sweep, yeah, we're not always going to get liquidity sweep, but also good for confirmation. Yeah, we can. So I'm fine not being first seller if it wants to drop just for now. It's Friday, so I would like to have better confirmation for smart money reversal. An empty model will be validated by what? 2-minute order block. Do we have 2-minute order block? No, we don't have it, so it's not better structure just yet, in my opinion. Inversion change in the state of delivery or market structure shift and change in the state of delivery. So once again, I will be fine just to enter maybe a bit late, but not right now. What we have on 1-minute chart? Okay, on 1-minute chart, we have 1-minute OB, we have like internal order block, which I don't really like to call this internal order block. That's it. So once again, I don't use 1-minute chart. I'm fine to wait for 2-minute confirmation. Because just looking at this 2-minute chart, it's just choppy, and that's it. So I just don't see setup just yet. I'm not saying it will go higher. If it wants to be empty model, I would like to get a 2-minute order block for this, to trade this, but nothing yet. Gold, I didn't check gold, what we had on gold. Oh, look at this sell. I mean, nice drop, but it could sell from early for value gap. Instead, nothing yet. I mean, nice reversal. This is what exactly what I anticipated to get. We got potential sweep. Do we have 5-minute OB? Oh yeah, we do have 5-minute OB. We just got this actually, right? 5-minute order block just was offered. How did you get to R if order block was just offered? Hmm? Check and queue. Yeah, once again, let's see. Let's see if we get a 2-minute order block. It's trying, but nothing yet. No closure. Playing games, okay. Playing games, we love it. Of course. At least we got break above consolidation high on ES and immediate rejection. Great rejection, but we don't have empty model here. So I'm just trying to follow model to short this. We have, in my opinion, we have 0 signs of smart money reversal. I will stay away from shorting this, guys. If you see short setup, it can be, I don't know, like something on 1-minute chart. Enter. I just think in terms of market maker model normally. And in order to get transition from buy model to sell model, we need to get smart money reversal, which we don't have yet. It's okay, I will wait a bit more. Nice to land with this empty model or potential sweep. So for example, we got 30-minute chart over here, and we have nothing on 3-minute chart as well. So I will be fine to enter late. Not going to be disappointed with late entry. We have breakaway gap on 5-minute chart, by the way. Breakaway gap. I would say setup never was presented on gold for long. I just want to see higher, but as I said before, there was no model there. At least what we trade, potential sweep. We had nothing there. Nothing good there. Otherwise, I would insist long on gold. I just want to see exactly the same sell off from early bearish fair value gap. In 1 hour, I will post new video about top-down analysis and market maker model on my YouTube channel. And after this video, I will post a homework assignment. Trump needs to say something. At least we get some sort of volatility. Two-minute chart just chop. No fair value gaps on 2-minute chart. We have minor 2-minute inversions, that's it. We don't have change in the state of delivery. I just, just trying to wait for the closure to get empty model for short, but we don't have any signs yet. I wouldn't short this yet. But once again, if you see model to short this, go for this. I already said we don't have smart money reversal yet. I don't mind to see rejection from London high. It was equal highs, but we need to get smart money reversal first. It's struggling to offer this, so probably it's not bearish yet. I'm just saying. So 2-minute order block is going to be closure below this, not this line. Hello, how are you? So what do you think it's going to be short or long right now? So I'm thinking it's not ready to short drop just yet. So probably it will be ready to drop below 10 a.m. open, but I'm not quite sure about shorts, so I will not take this. I don't really recommend it yet. So we already discussed why. Why, guys? Because we don't just for now we don't have smart money reversal. So never presented this sign. But it's sharp, so I will be fine with short. I will be completely fine with short. I can try this below this blue line. What time is this? It's 10:30 already. Okay. So we do have long based on M2 model. 9 a.m. M2 model. So here is the right placement of stop loss. Here's the right target. Just based on this model. It's going to be 1.4 hour at New York midnight open. Once again, I can be wrong. Totally wrong. But even my second trade idea is still valid. I already deleted this. I mean, long from this 2-minute order block, still valid. Because stop loss must be the swing low. It's still valid. I mean, let's see this. It's like 1 hour. Okay, maybe not worth it. struggling. Look at ES. Guys, this not orange, it's actually yellow. Here's range from 9 a.m. That's why NQ is cheap as well, so maybe we're asking for too much. So I will be fine with shorting using empty model as well below sequence of the sub-close candles. It's just going to be a validation of setup. Which is not here yet. It's not ugly, it's just choppy, unfortunately. That's crazy. Yeah, I know you you love my accent. That's crazy, yeah. So let's see if we get empty model. Oops, let me delete this. No closure yet. Are you serious? Give us closure. See how it's struggling? What's... No, not yet. So validation of empty model for short is going to be below this sequence of up-close candles. Nothing yet. Are you serious? At least I see some volatility right now. I guess Trump said something. Yeah. Worst part is sit inside consolidation. Forty seconds left in this 2-minute candle. Let's see where we can close. Still no smart money reversal to downside. It's really struggling so far. I have no idea what it's trying to do. Well, at 11:30 a.m. I will post new video about top-down analysis and market maker model. So I'm going to finish at 11:25. Yeah, I guess 1 hour is the best option recently. So be fine with 1 hour trade because 2 hour takes so much time. Sometimes it never goes to 2 hour. Like, I'm not even sure if it's going to pump to 2 hour today. It's Friday. We got 1 hour. I guess that's it. Especially 1 hour lined up is equal highs. So maybe that's fine. Oh no, finally. Finally some pump. Okay, I'm happy to see this. At least I was okay, I'm happy with this. See how important it is to have smart money reversal? I'm so happy with this. Absolutely brilliant pump. Let's see if we get Asia high then. I don't know about TP. Previous day high. Look at this. Yes, still inside London range. Is that crazy? That's absolutely crazy. We didn't take previous day high level, but we were like... No, it should go higher. What is that? I believe it was something that Trump said. I'm not sure because I'm not sure if Trump keeps speaking right now, but it should pump higher. Okay, I'm so happy right now. So See how it left London high? It doesn't make sense not to take London high on ES simply because we're trading inside London range. We were so close to previous day high and New York midnight open. Drop right now is going to be like really crazy. Maybe it's, as you said, market is trying to stay inside specific range, right? For a reason. So probably. Because it's Friday. Do we have any important news next week, guys? Let's check this out on Forex Factor because I'm not quite sure. Okay, next week. Oh, we have FOMC next week, right? That makes lots of sense. Probably just trying to build the range. Let me take a screenshot to show you. Where's my mouse? Guys, here's what we have next week. So Monday without news, that's fine. But we are going to have 10 a.m. red folder news on Tuesday. I mean, every single day is going to be red folder news. See this? We are going to have FOMC on Wednesday. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. I believe next week is going to be. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to see huge drop. But who actually knows? I don't want to see huge drop next week, but since Sync permanently bullish, so I'm asking for too much. You got it, right? So here's what we are going to have. I guess let's try to talk about potential weekly profile. Just look in this weekly calendar, news calendar. So probably Monday is going to be a continuation of Friday range, probably, which will offer manipulation on Tuesday. Wednesday reversal profile, Tuesday continuation, Friday TJF. Not Tuesday, Thursday. So yeah, probably it's going to be something like this. We are going to wait, consolidation. Oh, you cannot see this. So I mean, Monday consolidation, Tuesday manipulation, Wednesday reversal profile probably is going to be Thursday continuation, TJF. This is what I think about potential profile. Wednesday reversal profile. Good for FOMC as well. Either NQ needs to take previous day high level or ES needs to take London high. Preferably ES needs to take London high to finally to see perfect break above the range. Yeah, overall, guys, what kind of weekly profile we have right now? It's clearly consolidation profile on weekly, unfortunately. Barely move 40 points. Okay, empty model is going to be different OB, so let me delete this arrow. It's going to be different one. Which one? I guess sequence of those up close candles over here. Let me move this for now to show you. Oops. So we traded above 10 a.m. open. We got sequence of up close candles. 1, 2 candles. Closure should probably try to offer any setups. Another attempt to offer smart money reversal. By the way, here's attempt will be a bit better. I mean, more beautiful because we are going to have market structure shift. We are going to have inversion. We are going to have order block. So basically, it's going to be three confirmations. But previous day high. Okay, London high. At least something needs to be taken to validate this reversal. I mean, London high equal high. That's great. We broke London high and London low, basically broke London range on NQ on both sides, while ES still inside this range. So let's give it a time, at least attempt to take to take London high on ES. Weekly 50% week taken. Oh, okay. Okay, this makes lots of sense then. Let me move my ninja trader to just compare potential OB. Okay, it's going to be here. Okay. Come on, yes, take London high. We need to break the range finally. London range. Still valid long. I mean, I don't really care about Asia high. I do care about London high on ES. So sometimes it's good to use ES as target to close a trade on NQ. Come on, just pump another 1 point, like 46. Range needs to be broken. So bad. You said, is it 10 a.m. AMD? You know what I see just for now? The question is if it's right now time distortion of market maker buy model. Looks pretty similar. And the question is if 10 a.m. is going to be time distortion to pump higher, is a question. Important question. Because normally, maybe that's me, but I see 9 a.m. moves exactly as 10 a.m. moved before. I just want to consider, like, if people say, like, a reversal at 10 a.m., normally this happens at 9 a.m., between 9 and 10. So, like it usually happened between 10 and 11. So we have new silver bullet time. But I see this as time distortion right now. So basically, second stage of reaccumulation. Can be wrong, totally possible, but because it's Friday. But in my opinion, just feels like distortion. Completely filled. Yeah, let's see if we get potential sweep. We completely filled BPR. I'm fine with this. That's great. Let's see if we get potential sweep. We basically already broke above distortion high, and I guess logical target could be previous day high level, but instead, you said 50% of weekly week. Let me check this real quick. Which, probably not here. It's not on this candle, okay. But, look at this. We just hit hourly OB. That's it. Probably this rejection was from hourly OB. But once again, personally, I see this as time distortion, basically second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model. So if it could pump higher, at least to take London high on ES and previous day high New York midnight open on NQ, I could be happy with this. Oh, what I tapped here? Oh, come on, Dasha, are you serious? I didn't sleep well, so... Guys, Apex is running 90% off. I already bought accounts to pass them as reserve. Good to have this, right? So if you want to get accounts for just $18, you can do this as well. I didn't use standard deviation projections. I just trying to see if we have 2R. Like here's logical target for NQ, Asia high. Okay, Asia high over here. But here's a 2R based on M2 model. You use my code, I mean for colors? Oh, you used for Apex? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, guys, personally, I buy 50K accounts with trader weight. Personally. Because right now I have funded accounts with rhythmic connection. I bought for this trader weight. I'm going to give them another chance. Because before this I had bad experience, but it was long time ago. Another chance. With trader weight. My experience with Apex absolutely nice. I have 20 funded accounts. Since last year. Nothing was blown. Good risk management, I mean. 20 accounts, no complaints, happy with this. It doesn't mean like if you guys trying to pass 20 accounts at the same time, I don't recommend do this because psychologically this is hard. I recommend to divide this in groups. For example, 5 accounts and 5 accounts and 5 accounts and then 5 accounts. So pass each group separately. So 5 accounts and pass another 5 accounts. Something like this. Oh, look at yes. So happy to see this. London high taken. We finally broke London range. Did you backtest 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? Because 10 a.m. this summer wasn't good, so I highly recommend to switch to 9 a.m. I already said we need to shift our time. On 50K, when I'm trying to pass, I'm not going to lie, I pass this with minutes, like 3 minutes. So normally I risk around like 1,000, maybe $1,500. But I'm trying to pass this for one day. But once again, I don't recommend to pass 20 accounts at the same time. Divide this on groups, like 4 accounts or 5 accounts. It's easier psychologically. Trust me, from my personal experience. Because even if it's evaluation and you're trying to pass 20 accounts, I really feel pressure. I don't know why. But when I'm trying to pass 5 accounts and another 5 accounts, it's easier for me mentally. I don't know why, but it works. Highly recommend to do this as well. Yeah, as I said, I see in Q as time distortion. So as we all know, distortion is second stage of re-accumulation and redistribution. So I was looking for London high taking on, and yes, we actually took this. I believe I don't mind to see pump on NQ to New York midnight open as well. So slightly higher will be nice. I will appreciate this. Oh yeah, if you risk only $500, that's great. Especially if you want to aim from 1.5R, 2R, that's great. Which copier I use? It's Replikanto on NinjaTrader. Really high pressure to pass one account. So, guys, $18. If you go to McDonald's, you're going to spend more. $18 for one account. Don't feel pressure. Yeah, I didn't try to use new Copier, but lots of guys, 50K account right now for $18. $18. Don't feel pressure. Just buy for $18. 50K account with 90% off. $18. Once again, you will spend more on McDonald's. Where like Burger King. I don't know. Activation fee 140. Anyway, I'm going to get this anyway. I already got this. Epic's right, 90% off. You can trade up to 20 accounts. Just $18, guys. I got my previous, my current funded accounts was bought with 90% off as well. If you never traded futures but you're currently not in restricted list, try this for $18. So yes, you need to pay activation fee for each past account. This, unfortunately, you can get just one account, you can get 5 accounts. I got 20 accounts. I paid activation fee for all 20 accounts. I paid lifetime activation fee. It's not really lifetime, it's for 10 years, if not mistaken. 140 activation fee. They have trading drawdown, but once again, never ever in my life I had any issue with trading drawdown, and Apex on Take Profit Trader, zero issue. I don't know why people if you take partials, which is maybe smart, you will be fine. Never ever in my life I had any issue with trading drawdown. Really. I have my funded accounts with Apex, which also had trading drawdown since I guess October 2024. Yeah, October. Don't really remember, but since 2024, end of 2024. So yeah, normally how I do this, let me show you. Real quick. Let me show you real quick. Let me make sure I don't show any important information from my account. Yeah. So guys, here's how it works. Let's just make sure I don't show any information. So here's how it works. It's Replikanto, so I'm not going to show my account number. So it's a Replikanto. If I want to trade just one account, I'm going to just trade one account. If I want to trade several accounts, I'm going to just click these bubbles. For example, right now I'm going to trade leader account plus 5 accounts. So I'm going to trade 6 accounts. So I simply use my Copier. I select how many accounts I want to trade. Normally I select all. I'm not sure if I can select like all at the same time, but normally I click like this. Quick, click, 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 click. So I can trade all my 20 accounts. It's rhythmic connection. So what rhythmic connection means? On Replikanto, on NinjaTrader machine, I can trade only one rhythmic connection from one prop firm. But I can connect as many as I want trader weight accounts. So this means if I'm going to get, I know, like more take profit trader accounts, more my funded futures, TradingView, I'm going to get trader weight and I'm going to connect to my 20 rhythmic accounts, which is Apex accounts. It's a Replikanto, yeah. Let me type in the chat. I use this Copier. I bought this 2 years ago, I believe. So I can connect one rhythmic connection on my one trading machine, which NinjaTrader machine. So I can connect up to 20 accounts right now with rhythmic connections. Then I'm going to get, this is what I have. Another prop firm, I have trader weight. So I'm going to connect trader weight with take profit trader, with TradingView, with my funded futures, with funded next futures, with funding ticks. So it's all trader weight. I'm just going to collect this to my Copier. Trade Singer. Never try this. I saw lots of good reviews about this, but never ever try this. So what do you mean by group? So actually, if you're going to like connect all accounts right now on NinjaTrader, and let me show you again. Don't want to connect all accounts, but I will show you again. Again, look at this. So for example, here you can see Apex accounts for now, right? So if I'm going to connect right now, let's say my funded futures, or I'm going to connect funding ticks or funded next futures, TradingView, it's going to appear in this list. In this list. And if you want to trade, like let's say only TradingView and take profit trade, you're going to just click uncheck these boxes. So you're not going to use these accounts at all. But if you want to trade, let's say 3 accounts only, you're going to check 3 boxes. That's it. If I want to trade, let's say 3 accounts, including my leader account, and take profit trade, I'm going to uncheck this, right? Something lagging. I know. So you got it, right? Maybe this is what we call group. I don't know. Let me extend back. I hope I answered your question. Connecting back. Connected back. You got it, right? I can create separate video about how I use Replikanto if it's going to help you. So you can connect also my funded futures. I just showed you example with Apex and Take Profit Trader. You can connect also my funded futures. I can connect funding ticks right now, or I can connect TradingView, funded next futures. It's going to be all on my list. I can select what I want to trade with today. It's not really groups once again. You can just select what you want to trade. You don't need to like overcomplicate this with groups. So like I believe we have in TradingView Copier, right? I will create a video about this, so I guess it will be easier for everyone. Look at ESL right now from this London high, brilliant. Right now I'm waiting for the closure to get maybe empty model. So empty, let me delete some levels right now. I'm going to delete this. Just would like to keep this clean right now. London high I'm going to delete. Yeah. So what we have? We have 10 a.m. open. We have ugly chop right now, and probably break below this range will offer empty model. 10.57 right now. I don't know. So yeah, I never recommend to gamble on your accounts. So I mean, I have personal account. I have funded accounts. I don't feel like I feel any difference, but maybe that's me. I don't feel like when I trade funded accounts or when I trade personal account, I don't feel like any difference. I have 20 Apex accounts. So here's a great question. I never tried. As you can see, guys, I don't execute on TradingView my Apex accounts first because it's rhythmic connection. But the question is, if I'm going to try to pass my trader weight evaluations, like 20 evaluations, the question is, who actually can help me with this? If I'm going to put leader account, let's say account 1 is going to be leader account evaluation 1, and I'm going to execute on TradingView trader weight account, which is account evaluation 1, will it activate trades on NinjaTrader if I'm going to have exactly the same leader account on my Copier? That's the question. Yes? Oh, this means I can trade. I can copy this. Yeah, that's great. Then yes, we can try to do so, because with I got evaluations for just $18 with trader weight, because I can execute trader weight on TradingView, but I cannot do this with rhythmic connection. Yeah, it's plugin for NinjaTrader, but the question is, if I'm going to connect my evaluations on NinjaTrader, I'm going to set up my Replikanto with leader account, let's say evaluation number 1, and I'm going to copy this across all other 19 accounts, and I'm going to connect trader weight on TradingView. I'm going to connect trader weight account with evaluation 1. I'm going to enter my trade at evaluation 1. Probably it should activate all trades on NinjaTrader as well, because I got in trade using this leader account. Makes sense, right? Yeah, 1 day to pass this means you can pass this for 1 day, for 1 minute, for 2 days. How to get $18 account? Just go on Apex website. Personally, I got 50K trader weight account. So you can use code, for example, my code Lumi, you will get 90% off, because original price around like 160, I believe. Yeah, I will record the video about this, because sometimes it's just hard to explain this. On evaluation, around like $1,500 per trade, because when I'm trying to pass accounts, once again, divide this on groups, like 5 accounts and 5 accounts, 5 and 5. That's best recommendation. You will tell me thank you for this. And I'm trying to pass 5 accounts first. So I'm going to risk, let's say, $1,000. My task to make 2,000, maybe to pass this for this one trade. So yeah, for $18, so it's okay. It's okay for $18 to try. Once again, don't try to pass 20 accounts at the same time. Not worth of this psychological risk, right? Once again, when I was trying to pass 20 accounts at the same time, I felt pressure. But when I don't recommend to do this, you can just risk $500 because we have trade and drawdown. It's just me. But if you're going to like divide this in groups, as I said before, let's say 5 accounts, you can just try to risk maybe like between $500 and $1,000 and try to aim for 2R, something like this. No need to trade 10 minutes at the same time. Like no reason. 2-3 minutes if you want to process quickly. If you're quite sure with your setup, why not? If you see high probability stop, okay, enter just with bigger size. For $18, come on. Once again, you will spend more in McDonald's. This is what I did when I was passing my 20 account. But it doesn't mean like you need to do this as well. You can just lower your risk to $300, $500. Nothing wrong with this. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. Look at ES. ES doesn't want to drop at all. I mean, in Q as well. Look at this. We're still trading above 10 a.m. open. We just got the closure below sequence of sub-close candles. Who wants to see higher, guys? I want to see slightly higher. Please. I'm here. Just slightly higher. A bit higher. A little bit higher. On ES, because ES still looks kind of bullish, I don't mind to see it pump to New York midnight open. Look how previous the high New York midnight open close to each other, especially on ES. No, thank you. Enough. $9.50. I mean, lots of points to pump then. Probably not today. You want to see 100 points drop? I'm asking too much. Why I want to say yes, simply because yes doesn't want to drop yet. Feels like not ready yet. Which one do you recommend? A Forex prop firm? I never trade Forex prop firms. That's why I cannot say anything about this. No, look at this. If you're going to get 90% off for 50K, trade the way to Rhythmic, it's going to be $18 for the first month, but second month is going to be $31 or $33, 80% off. I believe $33. And other months is going to be $33 as well. How can I know if 10 a.m. for our candle is... Normally, it depends on framework for distribution. Remember we talked about this. Looking at this for our candle, it depends on framework for distribution, on for our candle. So we're looking for framework for distribution if we're looking for short. This means framework for distribution is going to be between open of candle and high. So this means within this range, if it's for our chart, we should get 15-minute change in the state of delivery. So change in the state of delivery will confirm framework for distribution. If you anticipate to get 10 a.m. reversal between like 10 and 2 p.m., we should get something on 15-minute chart first. So to validate framework for distribution, right? Does this part make sense? If you're looking for, let's say, long continuation higher, we should get framework for distribution between open and low. Somewhere over here. Depends. Did we hit any high time frame level? If so, probably it's going to be reversal. And premium, if you did not hit any high time frame level, probably it's going to be continuation. Using time frame alignment chart, since this we're talking about potential for our candlestick formation, we will use 15-minute chart to validate potential reversal. Yes, 15-minute chart. This means I'm going to switch on 15-minute chart and I'm going to extend like this. So once again, this purple range is a range between open of this, not quite open, give me 1 second, you got it. Like this, and high of current high. This means on 15-minute chart, we should validate this by order block. You want to ask me where's 15-minute order block? I don't know, like, it doesn't look perfect, but probably this candle. Do we have order block on 15-minute chart right now? Not really, right? No. So can I say we validated framework for distribution for 10 a.m. reversal? Who can tell me? Can I say just, let me hide drawings. No, I don't need to hide drawings. Can I say just for now, we validated framework for distribution to downside. So we validated short. Potential reversal. Can I say this? Can I short this right now? No, let's talk about this. That's important. So looking about, lots of people ask me about 10 a.m. reversal, but let's just talk about idea. If we want to short, don't think so. That's exactly right answer. So basically, if I want to short, I would like to get short setup within this purple range. If I want to use time frame alignment chart, I need to get OB. Do I have OB right now? Guys, do we have order block right now? Do we have it? Who can tell me, is it order block or not? Do we have something on 15-minute chart? Just for now. Not yet. This means framework for distribution not confirmed yet. Just for now, it's not ready to drop. Not yet. No closure, exactly. See this? Just think logically about candlestick formation. When we're trying to talk about reversal, we need to get the closure below this. I would say open because we got huge wick. Once we can get the closure, I'm ready to say it's reversal. But reversal can happen between 10 and 2 since we're talking about 4-hour candle. Yeah, not validated just yet. But everything can change, so let's see. 7 minutes left on this. Can I use any other PDRs? I didn't try, so I cannot say like you can use, but not sure. I prefer to use order block because it confirms change in the state of delivery, change in order flow. How I deal with trading drawdown? I take partials. It helps a lot to take partials. I remember some people hate me for taking partials, but it's best idea, especially if you trade with trading drawdown. Take partials to lock some profit. Speaking with Russian accent, I don't know. So here's the framework for distribution. On 15-minute chart, just for now, we have nothing. But even if I want to switch on 2-minute chart, it's just chop. See this? See this price action? I'm going to change the color because it's confusing. So I will call this potential. Obviously not changing the state of delivery. Potential. 15-minute change in the state of delivery. Oops. Wrong placement. So this purple box is potential framework for distribution, which not confirmed yet. But might be confirmed soon. We'll see. I mean, why I'm saying about this? Because it's still bullish setup, in my opinion. It's still valid. Just I really hope it's second stage of reaccumulation right now to pump, if not above Asia high, but New York midnight open at least. We're going to find out in 5 minutes. I trade gold 90% of the time. I just trade gold during Asia or pre-market. Normally, I don't see good setups during AM session. So most of my profits, 90% of my profits made on gold. Sometimes CL, 10% is on NQ. Just gold did not offer good setup for me today, so I will stay away. So once again, guys, I see this consolidation just for now as distortion, as second stage of reaccumulation to pump higher. In 15 minutes, I will finish stream and we will switch to my new video where I will talk about this. I'm from Belarus, so it's country next to Russia. But yes, I do speak Russian. If you want to learn my gold model, just watch my previous video. I covered every single step. But it's activation fee 140. Guys, if you want to watch my my model on gold, which once again, if you're not going to be profitable with this, you can block me everywhere, unfollow me everywhere. If you're not going to be profitable with this, then that's crazy. Here's a video of my gold model, guys. Covered every single step there. I almost didn't steam this week. I took 3 trades. 3 trades? 3 trades this week. I took only 3 trades this week so far. Crazy, right? What accounts? 50k, that's enough. Highly recommend 50k. Always recommend 50k for any account. So yeah, 3 trades only. On Monday, yesterday, and it was on gold, but I don't remember when it was. Tuesday maybe? Or Wednesday? I believe, no. Wednesday. Wednesday night. $200. If you want to pass your 2 top step accounts, don't do this today. Just trust me. Pass this on Monday. Guys, see the link that I sent above? That's my gold strategy. I mean, gold models that I trade on gold and CL. And highly recommend to watch this because I pretty confident you are going to be profitable with this. Who is this? I said before, I see this as this consolidation is distortion so far. You know, that's funny to say, probably you will not believe me, but when I trade Asia, you know how it looks 99% of the time. When I'm putting my kids to bed, like we have bed from one side and from another side, it's like 2 levels bed, you know, like my son sleeps at 2nd floor. And one bed is over here, another is over here, and I'm sitting between them. I have like chairs there, armchairs there, and I'm sitting on my phone trading gold. This is how I trade gold. Sitting between 2 my kids. And guys, I really analyzing from my phone. I see with only one eye because I'm blind with my one eye. And I'm sitting on my phone like trading, analyzing gold because it's easy to do this from my phone. So that's crazy, right? How different? I don't trade continuation at all. I trade turtle soup. Basically, I trade potential sweep. Blindly trading. Does Epix has problem with they had problem, but I guess every prop firm had problem sometime, like long time ago, right? I didn't hear any complaints. I personally never had any problems as well, but I'm not going to talk about me. With payouts. And I didn't hear this for a long time. Like no complaints. Only partially blind, yes. My left eye cannot see at all from my dorsal. So I backtested this model on TradeZella. I have some trades on my playbook, but once again, I already explained this before. The issue is I created playbook after I done with my backtesting, and I added my backtest data to this playbook, and it shows nothing. It still shows nothing. I don't know why I cannot see this. I can share playbook right now. It has some trades there, like 5-10 trades, but I took almost 300 trades. I don't know why it doesn't want to show me all my trades. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So my top prop firms is Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Epix, like places. First place, I cannot even say which one is first place. My Funded Futures or Take Profit Trader. Both. Yeah, I do have TradingView. It's like maybe third place as well, like with Epics. I just had very good experience with my funded futures and take profit trader personally, but with Apex Tradify as well. So funded next futures. I started funding ticks, by the way, guys. We'll do giveaway with funding ticks maybe next week. What do you think about this? Should I do funding ticks giveaway? Should I do funding ticks giveaway? Next week. Why? You had problem with funding ticks? I personally started with trading with them, so I have evaluations. I saw lots of good reviews. I even asked about a review on take funding ticks like 2 weeks ago. Lots of people recommend me this, so I said like, okay, we'll give it a chance. So I said funding ticks giveaway next week. Sounds good or not? Medicine. Funding ticks. So they were funding pips, I guess, before funding ticks. Oh, Take Profit Trader is going to be every time once we hit 400 likes. So Take Profit Trader's daily giveaways. I'm talking about lots of accounts. So, okay, I bought Epic's 20 accounts evaluation. I personally have funded accounts with them, so I don't see any complaints. I never ever had any issue. My friends never had any issue. So, I mean, like, I don't see nothing wrong with them. So with Tradify, yes, I have straight to funded. I have it, just didn't trade this yet. Need to start. I have straight to funded with Tradify. So, as I said, I still see this as second stage of market maker buy model. I still would like to see higher, at least to New York midnight open. It's M2 model, guys, for long since 9 a.m. I mean, 9 a.m. M2 model. So I still see this as long. What do you want to hear from me about Epics and Copier across all accounts? I just connect all accounts and I connect leader account and trade all accounts at the same time. So yeah, I do have straight to funded, just to try to see how it goes. You're waiting for 90% off flash sale. Yeah, it's going to be cheap, like $2, even less. Why you was banned? Like something happened, or you cannot buy evaluations anymore? Because I saw this issue before. I can buy evaluations. Okay, guys, 5 minutes left. I'm going to finish, and we are going to switch to my new video. So I'm going to be in the chat there, so you can ask questions. I'm going to answer them immediately. So I'm going to send you a link 5 minutes before video is going to be out. In this video, I will talk about top-down analysis and market maker model. So I will show you how you can use potential sweep model with top-down analysis. So if you're going to buy, let's say 5 accounts, each account is going to be with 90% off. Each account is going to be $18. You were too profitable, right? They're not going to ban me. So But yeah, that's crazy, right? So going to send the link soon, guys. We still have, once again, 4 more minutes. Maybe we can hit 400 likes for giveaway. What do you think about this? But by the way, by the end of new video, if you just joined, I will give you homework to this video, but I highly recommend to watch my video about potential sweep. So basically my last video to understand what I'm going to talk about in new video. Just one account. It's like for daily giveaways, 150k take profit trader account evaluation, 150k so you can practice to trade with bigger size. CL trader. I live in Florida, but I moved from Belarus a long time ago. Yeah, long time ago. 9 years ago. 9? Yeah. Almost 10. Yeah, it's hot in Florida recently. But come on, it's July. What I want to expect. When I lived in North Carolina, it was even more hot than in Florida this time. Like July, August, so it was so hot there. Try Texas? No, thank you. Not for me. Yes, it's basically M2 model, guys. If you're too lazy to watch my video about M2 model, should I send you like quick picture which you can print, guys? Remember, on Friday, I reposted post on Twitter about M2 model because I knew on Monday normally this happens about M2 model, and actually it's 1 hour later it happened. Let me send you the picture, guys. You can just print this if you want. M2 model. Print this. Put on your desk, on your wall, on your screen, everywhere you like. On your, I don't know, like wallpaper. On your phone, for example. Tell me thank you. For NQ, to trade before 10, that's best model I found, guys. Nothing works 100% of the time. Backtest gave me 70% win rate. So on Tuesday did not play out. Yesterday play out. No, on Tuesday play out. On Monday play out. Tuesday play out. Wednesday failed. Offered 1 hour. Yesterday play out. Right now playing out. I don't know if it's going to be 2 hour. Let's see. At least 1 hour. So should be happy with this. I mean, every single day this week, last week, 2 weeks ago, it offered stop. Just not every single day was 1 hour, 2 hour. Sometimes not sometimes, always was 1 hour. Just not 2 hour. For example, yeah, on Wednesday, it was 1 hour. Why not 100? Working on this. I moved when I was 18. 2 years. I just turned 18. I wasn't trader. I was basketball coach for little kids. Then I started studying. Then I went to university. It was college in Florida. Then I transferred to North Carolina State University. I wasn't trader as well. Then my husband said, like, let's try this. I started with small caps. It was warrior trading. Like, guys, I guess you know about this. Like warrior trading, I guess. He still teaches, I guess, small cap stocks. It was extremely hard for me. You played basketball a long time ago. I was a professional basketball player. I'm not tall, but I was playing this for a long time. Since I was 10, I believe. Like, I played a bit at the university here in the US. I played just outside with guys. And middle of 2022, I learned about trading. 2022, yes. Because I started learning ICT when he started posting about 2022 model, mentorship 2022. My husband introduced me. He said, it's kind of hard for me. Maybe it will be not that hard for you. And I said, let's try. Once again, I started with small caps. I guess many of us start with small caps. Yeah, it was hard. Okay, guys, it's almost 11:30. Let's switch. See this link, guys? Let's switch to new video. We'll talk about, if you want to ask questions more, they'll ask in that chat. So guys, in 3 minutes, I will post new video about top-down analysis and market maker model. So guys, click this link and I will see you in the chat there, like in 1 minute, okay? Save your questions in that chat. So because I'm going to finish this team and I'm going to switch there. I will see you in 1 minute, guys. Okay? Thank you for watching me on YouTube, on this live stream. Let's switch to new video. By the end of that video, you will get homework. Okay, guys, switching. Click this link.